Aave might climb 3.9% by tomorrow, coin data flow suggests. To start, let's get a quick sense of the current market dynamics. Based on the latest data, Aave has gained 1.7% since yesterday and is now near $94.80. We now turn to the analyst predictions. According to digital coin price, we could be heading toward $94 by June 29th, a move that reflects a 0.8% decline. Aave may strengthen toward $95.55 per Traders Union, showing a gain of about 0.8%. Gulf Capital Collector highlights it could be advancing to $97.39, a potential rise close to 2.7%. A different analysis from Coin Data Flow projects Aave could advance to $98.45, a potential gain close to 3.9%. Finally, 30 Rates expects a move to $106.77 by June 29, a rise of 12.6%. This is the top return forecast we've reviewed. That's the end of the 5 calls. Let's carry on. With forecasts in mind, let's explore what's behind each one. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a drop of 0.8% and a gain of 12.6%, depending on the analyst. All in all, 30 Rates ends up with the highest return with 12.6% uplift in value by June 29. From this, you could see returns of between $8 and $126 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability rankings, digital coin prices forecast comes out on top with a 96.7% chance of success. Out of the 5 separate forecasts, I've built one consensus scenario. The consensus perspective places Aave at about $98.43. Let's check the details. Consensus calculations suggest a 3.8% price increase by tomorrow. By the same amount in percentage terms, your capital might also rise. On 1,000, this projection could equal a potential gain of $38. The likelihood that the consensus outcome will hold true is around 86.6%. Next in line, let's see what analysts project for the market direction in the coming 3 days. Digital coin price suggests Aave will move in a narrow range. Traders Union expects an upward trajectory in the short term. A bullish track is also suggested by Gulf Capital Collector. For this horizon, meanwhile, Coin Data Flow sees Aave heading higher. Likewise, 30 Rates signals the price is following an ascending path. Bringing together each of the forecasts, the consensus emphasizes upward momentum for Aave across this 3-day outlook. At this point, 80% of analysts expect Aave to move higher, reflecting a clear bullish bias. 2 days ago, 5 sites posted forecasts for the next day. That day has passed, so let's see how they turned out. Ultimately, the final price landed near $94.01. In the end, 3 out of 5 analysts got the direction right. If accuracy is the measure, then 30 Rates came out on top. Let's organize the outcomes for a clearer picture. Only one analyst forecast was inside the daily move. When it comes to ROI, a handful of positive outcomes emerged, with the best return of 12.3%. Here's a quick results overview, a visual recap of forecast accuracy and outcome. Looking at the verified numbers, 30 Rates showed 12% ROI and accuracy. Take a closer look and notice whose forecast stayed closest